Marmaris Turkey's glittering gem. Nestled along Turkey's picturesque turquoise coast, Marmaris is a town that sparkles with life and history. This coastal paradise is renowned for its stunning natural beauty, where the turquoise waters meet the vibrant town, creating a mesmerizing contrast. It's a place where the Aegean Sea kisses the shore, creating a playground for sun-seekers and adventurers alike. The golden sands and crystal-clear waters invite you to bask in the sun or dive into thrilling water activities. From its bustling harbor, where boats come and go, to its ancient ruins that whisper tales of the past, Marmaris offers a vibrant tapestry of experiences. The harbor is the heart of the town, always alive with activity and excitement. Whether you're seeking relaxation, culture, or a taste of Turkish delight, Marmaris is your gateway to an unforgettable journey. The local markets are a feast for the senses, offering everything from exotic spices to handcrafted souvenirs. Marmaris is a tapestry woven from ancient history, stunning natural beauty, and vibrant modern life. The ancient ruins stand as silent witnesses to the town's rich past, while the modern amenities ensure a comfortable and enjoyable stay. This Turkish gem, nestled where the Aegean and Mediterranean seas meet, is a beacon for travelers seeking sun-drenched beaches, thrilling water sports, and glimpses into a rich cultural heritage. The beaches are perfect for sunbathing, while the waters offer endless opportunities for adventure. With its charming old town, bustling harbor, and lively nightlife, Marmaris promises an unforgettable escape. The nightlife here is vibrant and diverse, with bustling bars and restaurants that cater to every taste. As you approach Marmaris, you'll be captivated by the sight of its crescent-shaped bay, framed by verdant hills and the sparkling Aegean Sea. The panoramic views are simply breathtaking, offering a perfect backdrop for your holiday memories. The town's history stretches back to the 6th century BC, with remnants of its past visible in its ancient castle and charming old town. The castle, perched on a hill, offers a glimpse into the town's storied past and provides stunning views of the surrounding area. But Marmaris is not stuck in time. It's a vibrant hub with modern amenities, a plethora of restaurants and bars, and a lively atmosphere that pulses day and night. The town centre is always buzzing with activity, offering a perfect blend of old and new. Whether you choose to spend your days lounging on golden beaches, exploring hidden coves, or delving into the town's historical treasures, Marmaris offers something for everyone. The hidden coves are perfect for those seeking a bit of solitude and adventure. Prepare to be enchanted by the warmth of its people, the beauty of its surroundings, and the allure of its ancient soul. The locals are always ready to share their stories and traditions, making your visit truly memorable. The Marmaris Bazaar. Step into the heart of Marmaris, and you'll find yourself immersed in the sights, sounds, and aromas of its bustling bazaar. It's a place where tradition meets vibrancy, creating an unforgettable experience. A riot of colors greets you as you navigate the labyrinthine alleys, each turn revealing a new treasure trove of Turkish delights. From vibrant textiles to aromatic spices, every corner holds a new discovery. The air is thick with the scent of spices, mingled with the sweet aroma of Turkish delight and the earthy fragrance of hand-woven carpets. It's a heady mix that draws you deeper into the market. The bazaar is a feast for the senses, a sensory overload in the best possible way. The vibrant colors, the cacophony of sounds, and the tantalizing smells all combine to create an atmosphere that is both chaotic and enchanting. Vendors call out, their voices a melodic hum against the backdrop of bartering and laughter. Each vendor has a story to tell, and their enthusiasm is infectious. Intricately patterned carpets spill out of shops, their vibrant hues beckoning you closer. These carpets are not just items for sale, they are pieces of art, each with its own unique story and craftsmanship. The gleam of gold and silver catches your eye as you pass by jewelers. Their displays a testament to Turkish craftsmanship. The intricate designs and fine details showcase the skill and dedication of the artisans. Don't be afraid to haggle, it's all part of the experience. Haggling is an art form here, a dance of words and gestures that adds to the charm of the bazaar. Practice your bargaining skills, engage in friendly banter with the vendors, and you're sure to walk away with unique souvenirs and a smile on your face. The interactions you have here will be as memorable as the items you purchase. Remember to savor the moment, take in the vibrant energy, and embrace the chaotic charm of the Marmaris Bazaar, a true microcosm of Turkish culture. It's a place where every sense is engaged and every visit is a new adventure. When the sun sets, Marmaris after dark. As the sun dips below the horizon, casting a golden glow over the Aegean Sea, Marmaris awakens to a different kind of magic. The town's nightlife bursts into life, offering a vibrant array of entertainment options to suit every taste. From lively bars and pulsating nightclubs to traditional Turkish restaurants and cozy cafes, there's something for everyone to enjoy after dark. For those seeking a taste of Turkish culture, a traditional Turkish night is a must. These lively evenings often feature belly dancing, live music, and delicious Turkish cuisine, offering a glimpse into the heart of Turkish entertainment. If you prefer a more laid-back vibe, head to the marina, where you can sip cocktails while enjoying stunning views of the illuminated harbour. As the night progresses, the energy intensifies. The streets come alive with music, laughter, and the clinking of glasses. Whether you're dancing the night away in a nightclub or enjoying a romantic dinner under the stars, Marmaris After Dark promises an unforgettable experience. So put on your dancing shoes, embrace the vibrant atmosphere, and let Marmaris's nightlife sweep you off your feet. The Port of Marmaris, a place where the sea meets the sky in a dazzling display of nature's beauty. The heart of Marmaris beats within its bustling port, a vibrant hub where the azure waters of the Aegean meet the charm of Turkish hospitality. Here the energy is palpable, with people from all walks of life converging to experience the magic of this coastal gem. Yachts and gullets bob gently in the harbour, their masts reaching towards the clear blue sky, painting a picture of serenity and adventure. Each vessel tells a story, from luxurious yachts to traditional wooden goulets, all waiting to set sail on new journeys. The air is alive with the sounds of seagulls, the gentle lapping of waves against the harbour wall, and the murmur of conversations in a dozen different languages. It's a symphony of life, a testament to the port's role as a melting pot of cultures and experiences. The port is a gateway to a world of aquatic adventures. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie or a seeker of tranquility, Marmaris offers something for everyone. Embark on a leisurely cruise along the coastline, discovering hidden coves and swimming in crystal-clear waters. Each cove is a hidden gem, offering a secluded spot to relax and connect with nature. Try your hand at windsurfing or jet skiing, feeling the adrenaline surge as you skim across the waves. The thrill of these water sports is unmatched, providing an exhilarating way to experience the sea. Or simply relax on deck, soaking up the sun and enjoying the stunning views of the coastline. The gentle rocking of the boat and the warm sun create a perfect setting for unwinding. As evening descends, the port transforms into a magical setting. The lights begin to twinkle, reflecting off the water and creating a mesmerizing scene. The setting sun casts a warm glow over the harbour, illuminating the boats and the surrounding hills in a soft, ethereal light. It's a moment of pure beauty, a perfect end to a day in Marmaris. The aroma of freshly grilled seafood wafts from waterfront restaurants, enticing you to indulge in a culinary journey of Turkish flavors. Each dish is a celebration of the sea, prepared with love and tradition. The Port of Marmaris, a captivating blend of natural beauty, bustling activity, and serene ambience, is an experience not to be missed. It's a place where every moment is a memory in the making, inviting you to return time and time again.